Welcome to KMIT VIJETHA. In this today's session, we will start the Unit 2. In the Unit 2, we will be covering the overview of artificial intelligence. In that, we will study about the definitions, history, importance and process of AI, and it is used in interdisciplinary tools, types of AI, so on. And also we will be studying programming languages in AI, used in AI, and artificial intelligence in image processing, real-time image processing. In this today's lecture, we will be covering our two topics. One is definitions of AI and second one is history of AI. Coming to the artificial intelligence have two words. First one is artificial, second one is intelligence. What is artificial? Artificial is human created and intelligence is thinking power. If you think about artificial intelligence, it is a man-made created intelligence which has thinking power. AI is a man-made object with thinking power, and if you see the intelligence, it is the ability of the system to analyze, to calculate or to reason what is the reason for a solution and how to create a solution for a problem, and how to retrieve the data from the memory or how to store the data from the memory, and how you are analyzing the data or learning the experience with respect to data sets. So simply AI is a intangible parameter which is a computer program that we cannot touch. Coming to the definitions of AI, so if you see the AI, the father of AI is McCarthy. John McCarthy. McCarthy defined artificial intelligence, the science of engineering of making intelligent machines, especially computer programs. AI is also defined as a computer science engineering that are designed to generate an intelligent system that can think, that can act, or that can be able to make the decisions that are done by a human. AI is also a simulation replica of intelligent process that can think or act rationally like similar to humans. So, many people, many researchers or many scientists have defined the artificial intelligence. First in 1978, one person called Bellman, he said that the automation activities that associate with human thinking. So, now if you see an intelligent system, always we need an automation that can make the decision or solve a problem, or it can learn something. The second man, Hogland, in 1985, he defined artificial intelligence. It is a new effort to make the computers think like human. And the third person, he said Rich and Knight, he said how computers make things, do things better. And Winston says in 1992, the study of computations can be precise, perceive or reason or act that make it possible. The second, Luger and Stubblefield, he defined that it is the artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that can make automation intelligent behavior. Dean Etel, he defined the design and the study of the computer programs that behave intelligently. In 1998, Nielsen defined AI as the human mental activities like writing computer program exhibit artificial intelligence. So, different researchers and scientists have defined AI, but AI simply can be defined as it can act or it can think or solve some human problems. Coming to the history of AI, this is our next topic, history of AI. It is the systematic development of AI tools and technologies. The first computers related to the developments. In the olden days or in 18th century, Charles Babbage has defined the programmable machine that can be used as an artificial machine. And in 1923, the word robot has been first time used in Resume Universal Robots. In 1949, von Neumann gave a simple computer architecture that can process some data and can do something or store the data or computer program. The later maturation of artificial intelligence has come. In 1943, Macaulay Pitts carried out the first work on AI with the artificial neurons. In 1945, Isaac coined the robotics. In 1948, Hebben learning defined the strength between the neurons. In 1950, after defining the artificial neurons and the Hebben learning and the learning between the neurons, one mathematician, Alan Turing, has defined one evaluation matrix which is nothing but Turing test. So, it is a test which can evaluate the intelligent behavior of the machines. Later, the gaming has started. Shannon has defined the detailed analysis of chess playing. Later the artificial intelligence has begun. Birth of the artificial intelligence has come. In 1958, a intelligent program logic theorist has been solving 38 solutions out of 52 problems. It solved some mathematical algorithms or theorems which generated the real-time proofs. Later in 1956, a computer scientist, McCaffrey, again he defined artificial intelligence as a demonstration of first running AI program, and which created the solution for different missions to learn, so that they gained or coined the many government and industries. Later in the golden years, the algorithm has been developed in 1965, which created a logical reasoning for a solution. In 1996, algorithms of solving mathematical problems and the creation of chatbot has been done, so it is called as ELIZA. And later in 1969, a robot of locomotive and perception for solving the capabilities. In 1972, they defined a humanoid robot which is called as Wabot-1, which was developed with AI. Later in 1973, they defined FEDRI, which is vision technology to locate and assembles the model. The first AI in winter. In 1974, the beginning of the period which would last until end of the decade. During this, the computer developers experienced a leading to decrease in the interest of AI. In 1979, the first computer controlled autonomous vehicle has built, so that again the boom of AI has begun. So, in 1980, AI created a new techniques with the new deep learning algorithms, so that it has replicated the human behavior, so that it solves many problems. Later in 1985, Aaron has created the drawing program which solved many problems in gaming. In 1986, the popularity of neural networks has begun. So, from that time, many researchers have been developing many algorithms such that they are solving many types of problems which are helping the society. In 1996, machine learning has emerged, and there were scheduling algorithms, there are translation algorithms, they created games, they created the vision technology, they created the virtual reality, and they started giving case-based reasoning, so that they started reasoning and inductive learning. Later in 1991, AI logistics has been planned, and there will be scheduling algorithms to solve 50,000 of vehicles cargoes, and people was adopting by US forces during the first Gulf War. Later in 1990s, it started beginning using the AI for creating many processors, many sensing devices, many hacking devices, so on, so that the technology has been emerged very much. And now in 2023, the technology has created a plateau which will solve many problems. So, here we have different types of technologies. We have reinforcement learning, federal machine learning, cloud out of edge, generative AI, cloud native, and we have generative cyber security, and different types of platforms are using this AI. The history of AI has created a trend in the market such that they are creating the chatbots, they are creating the text summarization, image detection, image object detection, so on. Thank you.